Okay, so we are back, and this time we are just straight graphing. We do need to remember that y equals mx plus b is our standard form for slope-intercept form, and the slope is m and the y-intercept is b. We begin graphing at the end of our equation, which in this case is 2. So we will start at positive 2. And we need to recognize that negative 5 is equivalent to negative 5 over 1 for slope for this one. That says move down 5 to the right 1. Looks like very similar, so let's choose a different one. This time we have x minus 6, and so let's take a look at this one and make some sense of it before we start to graph it. Y equals x minus 6 is going to really be y equals, that's a positive 1 in front of x, so 1 over 1 x minus 6. So we will begin graphing at negative 6. On the y-axis, our slope tells us to go up 1 to the right 1. Okay, let's try another. See if we get something more interesting here. Looks like we're not going to. Let's do this one. Negative 5x plus 6. We begin graphing at the end of the equation, so that's a positive 6. And as with this first one, negative 5 is the same as negative 5 over 1. That means to go down 5 and to the right 1. What the heck? Oh, I accidentally went to 8, not to 6. Up to 6, down 5, to the right 1. Very good. Okay, let's see if we can get one with a fraction maybe, or something. Looks like these are all going to be whole numbers for the slope. Let's take negative x minus 2. So y equals negative x minus 2. It's important to understand that that number in front of the x, or the coefficient of x, is negative 1. We always want our slope to be written as a fraction, so we will put negative 1 over 1 x minus 2. Again, remembering that we've talked about this, the negative will always go in the numerator of the fraction or in front of the fraction bar, but never in the denominator. So what this tells us to do is begin our graph at negative 2, because that's a minus 2. Then our slope says down 1 to the right 1. Very good.